That was his direct question. After discussing for some 10 minutes, he discussed only for 10 minutes and just told with what salary you want. Yeah, that was his last question. After that, he told me like, if you have any question, you can ask me. Then I told him, yeah, I have one question for you. Yeah, he told what? Then I asked him like, do you provide extra training? If I want to learn more on some other modules, then do you provide training? But yeah, we provide training, and not just training, they also sponsor the global certification part as well. So after getting the global certification, they will be completely reimbursing all the amount what they are going to spend on me, and also they are giving this opportunity to if I complete that global certification exam and I will be certified globally from the SAP labs, then salary will be hiked by at least 30% within the organization. No need to switch. So these are all the benefits they have. These are all the benefits they have. So it's a good career option. Okay, SAP consultant is a very good career option. Now I have okay. I will start dictating. I will start the class. Please pay attention. I will show you all the table and where you can access the table. Can anybody tell me how can I access these tables?
Sir, SE16N.
SC16N, exactly. SC16N. Apart from that, is there any way to access this table?
SE16, SE11 something.
SC11 is related to transport request. Okay, fine. Let's find out. So please note down. Okay, important table. If you can tell, I have worked on only these tables, not anywhere else. I know about only this table. Any other table, I am not able to recall. That's in that way you can manage. Okay. So first table, Mara, MARA. Table name is Mara. Technical name. All these things are technical name. Okay. MARA, Mara. Mara table stores general data related to the material master. Let me run the SAP system. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. SC16, yeah. So table name is Mara. Hits 500. Click on execute. See, this is Mara table. Okay, it stores everything related to material master. General data of the material master is stored here. What was our material? We have created some material, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what was the material we have created? Anybody remember? Name, number,
Sir,
yeah. This one is our material,
above the
right?
BAG, above the BAG.
Yes, this one is our material, right?
Yes.
Yeah, see this. What this table contains, I can also add more fields to it. I can also do some operations. So this is also called as reports. This is what the report is. But the report style is different. This is a technical thing comparable to report. But you can add the fields, you can delete the fields, you can do so many manipulations. If I do any manipulations here, it will get reflected in the material master data as well. See this? It was created on date, created time, then created by the user, then last changed. If you have any changes, that also will get recorded and changed by the user, which user is changing, maintenance state and the status. Don't worry about this, KB, KV, all these things are done by the ABAPers. This is related to ABAP, no worries about this. Then if you have any client level data, then you can it will come, okay, 800 client it should have come, but it may be disabled in our IDES access. And material type, then industry sector, material group, then unit of measure. So all these things, all these fields you have, like this is about, this gives you the details about the gross and net weight, or where we will fill in the basic data, right? So each and everything related to the material created is given by the Mara table. Now I am talking about the second table. I will get back to this. Here you can select the value, okay, you can select the value which one you want, like from or to. If I give uh, this number, say I don't know how many zeros are there, so what I will do is I will put some stars over here and I will leave it, just execute. See, you will get only one, right? So like this, so this is also created by us only. My username you can see here. So whatever the data we have filled in the material master views, that data will be reflected here. Okay. EN, UPC, all these things are known as fields. Can you see this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But
But
the interview
interview
asks
asks
about
about
that
that
Mara
Mara
table
table
totally.
totally. What?
Interview
Interview
asks
asks
about
about
the
the
Mara
Mara
table.
table. No,
Whatever we have.
in today's interview, Mara table he did not ask. He did not ask any Mara table today's interview, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But
But
in
in
future,
future, yeah, Mara table is a very basic thing. You may get this question. Okay, 99% chance is there you will get this question. Fine. So Mara table is very very important. Now, the second table, MATNR.
ME,
MATNR. It is material number table.
MAT, and
So
Material. So
this
this
one the
one the
interviewer
interviewer
asked,
asked,
na
na
sir?
sir? No, even this table was not asked. Okay.
Could you
Could you
reply
reply
this
this
sir?
sir
MATNR?
MATNR?
I think so.
I replied, okay, MATNR is a field name. Within the Mara, it is a field name. I'm sorry. MATNR is a field name. Okay.
Oh,
See,
okay.
here it is a fields in the table. Here it is a fields in the table. This is a general name understood by the everybody, understood by everybody, usually functional, but the technical name of the field you can see at the right hand side. So MATNR is the first field. MANDT is the client name of the field. Okay, write down like this, guys. I am not able to show you this. Like I am not able to write. Maintain in a format. Okay. Some of the fields are also important. Just a minute. Let me open an Excel sheet here only. Some of the fields are also important, like MATNR. I will tell you how that will work. Okay, now the table is table Mara, MARA. Within that table, we have some fields. Important fields only I am listing out. That is MATNR. MATNR, common name, common name is material number. Then MANDT, this is client. Then let me get into the SAP system. Uh, MTART, material type. MATRAT, material type. Then what we have, just a minute. Okay.
sir,
Sir,
can
can
you
you
add
add
one
one
more
more
column
column
for
for
what
what
data
data
we
we
are
are
stored
stored
in
in
Mara?
Mara? Like what data he asked about in Mara means?
So can you add one more column for what data stored in that table? So
Yeah,
you
that Mara table stores only general data. Just a minute. Mara stores only general data. So what data it stores, I already told you. See, it stores the general data related to the material master. So these are all the general data we have. So these are all the data stored in the Mara table. Okay, what you
okay?
can see here, field names, those are nothing but your data stored in that table. I am giving you the this thing, what important field name as well, along with the table name. So Mara table contains then material group MATKL, that is the field name. MATKL material group. Then okay, just a minute. Yes, base unit of measure. MEINS. Please write down in your Excel sheets. I will just dictate, okay? Base unit of measure MEINS. Then doc type, doc version, not required, not required, not required, not required. Labor office. Yeah, purchasing value key. EKWSL. EKWSL. Plant. You should tell me the technical name. Come on.
EKPPO.
Plant.
G C
WERKS. Write down
W
plant. It is WERKS.
R K S W E R S.
Yes. See, whatever the views and the material master data you maintain, no, that all the data will be displayed in the Mara table. So that is the purpose. Just a minute. There is one more thing, it should be there, material status. Can anybody? Cross plant material status. Write down MSTAE.
Sir, repeat it again, sir.
MSTAE.
So these all are the technical name or field
Yes,
name.
yes, these are all technical name. Why I am making you do this? Because these technical name will be used in developing a functional specification document. Whenever there is a Z process involved, you will know from where, which table, from which field the data is coming. Otherwise, you will not be able to develop the logic. Just a minute. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is enough for our purpose. Okay? So this is about Mara table. This is about Mara table. Now let's next table MAKT. Next table will be MAKT. This is material description table. Whatever the material you create, all descriptions are stored in this particular table. Only descriptions. Let's execute. Let's see the fields, what it has. See, it do not has any field. Just a minute. I will come back. Yeah, these are the field we have. See, material number, if I want, I can remove this. I don't want material number. Yeah, okay, I will keep it. Material number. Then we have language. In which language you are maintaining the description and description and description. MAKTX, MAKTG. Let's see by executing this. Okay. So first one, material description, both are same as you can see, right? Only thing is, what is the difference? Tell me. In material description, there are two things. So what is the difference? Are you observing? There is one small
Yeah.
difference.
For uppercase and lowercase, sir.
Exactly. The second particular MAKTG, that is by default. Well, whatever the case you give the description, it will convert that into uppercase. That's it. That is the significance of second material description. Okay. So MAKT table stores material description. This much is enough. No field name is required. MAKTX is the exact field name for material description. That's it. MAKT, this table stores material description, only material description, nothing else. Fine. Now, remove this. Next table is MARM. MARM. MARM, this stores base unit of measure. Whatever the unit of measure you maintain, that it stores. Okay. Again, you can use all these things, but no need of any extra field name. So MARM stores only what unit of measure, nothing else.
Basic.
Execute this. See, you can see the unit of measure. This is the major field. Rest of the fields you can ignore. No need to worry about it. Okay? Unit of measure. Base unit of measure. Particularly. Next table. Next table is MARC table. MARC table will provide you plant level data. MARA provide you general data related to the material, but MARC will provide you plant level data. You can see the fields again. The important field is MATNR and works, WERKS, that is plant. Okay, at which plant or at what plant level the material is created, that is displayed here. Just execute, you will see the plant. Major field is plant here. Okay, you can see the plant. So technical name of the field here, MARC table. The technical name of the field, one thing you require is WERKS, works. That's it. Rest of the thing you can leave. Now coming to the MARD table, this store location data. See, we haven't maintained any store location data in any material creation, so our material do not have this data. See, again you can see the field. There is no change except for one field, that is LGORT. So that is location, store location. So LGORT is a field name for store location. One field name is required in MARD table, that is LGORT. Clear? Shall I execute this?
Yes.
See, focus is on plant and store location, works and LGORT. Okay? That's it. Now coming to, okay. Now coming to, I will take inventory thing. See, there is inventory fields as well here, but don't worry about that. Inventory thing will be taken separately in separate table. Right now, just concentrate on material master. Next table is MBEW. It will talk about material valuation. So what it should contain? MBEW, what it should contain? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, valuation class.
Valuation area, valuation type. These two are very important here. Okay, valuation area and valuation type, valuation classes, valuation class. Please write down. There are more fields to be written down here. For valuation areas is BWKEY. Valuation type it is BWTAR. Then price control, VPRSV. Moving price, VERPR. Standard price, STPRS. Then valuation class, BKLAS. Yeah, this much is enough. This much is enough. Okay, I will execute this. You can see the major thing is valuation class, valuation type, valuation area. Valuation area is plant, everybody knows, so you have plant. And valuation class, you can see this. And the moving average price or the standard price, that is price control, you can see this. So this much is enough. Okay, so this is price control indicator field, this is price field. Okay, data is stored like this. Clear? Any doubts till now? Last one table we have, that table, like if I execute today, I don't know you will understand or not. That table is material to BOM link. BOM, bill of material. There is a link between material master and the BOM. So that table is MAST, mast. Just press enter, you have these fields. Again here BOM and usage field. These are the two fields which is very important for you, STLAN and STLNR. That's it. Nothing else is important. Fine. So shall I execute this? Material to BOM link. So it will give you the bill of material number, bill of material usage, and the plant. These are important. If you have any alternative BOM with respect to that material, that also contains here. That's it. That's about the material master tables. If you know these tables, more than enough. Like if you can remember and if you can handle at least two or three of these fields with table with the fields, you will be like okay, your interviewer will be happy. Okay, no need to know whatever I dictated. So within that as well, if you have knowledge of two or three table with the fields, with important fields, that's more than enough for your interview. Clear?
So communication table comes under release procedure, no?
Yeah, communication table is used under release procedure, not release procedure, because you know about the release procedure part only. Communication tables are usually used in the classification and the business objecting, all those things. So communication
Okay.
table has got the different usage as well, not just in the release procedure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, let's get into the views and its field details quickly. Mayank
Yes, sir.
joined again. Before
So,
that meeting you went away.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम है सर इधर पे अभी
Okay, fine,
मतलब
no
नहीं है
problem.
लैपटॉप में बैटरी
No
तो
problem.
अभी अभी आ गया
No problem, no problem. Okay. अभी तक कुछ डाउट है क्या आपको?
नहीं sir.
आपको क्या करना है, ये अभी दिया हुआ है, ये क्या करना है आपको? रट्टा मारना है या अंडरस्टैंड करना है?
अंडरस्टैंड करना सर
both, sir,
या
both.
ये बहुत नहीं, एक
Yeah, both.
एक बार अंडरस्टैंड हो गया आपको, लाइक यू विल गेट टू नो हाउ टू यूज दिस. ओके, so you should understand rather than by hearting. So by hearting, like you will, if you forget, that interviewer feel that you are not genuine person. Okay, that is a very big disadvantage, and they will start digging you like anything. They will start questioning you, whatever, have you did this, have you did that. Of course, you will not be able to come out of that loop. So don't show the
बेसिकली
interviewer that you have biated or something.
सर
You
इनका टेक्निकल नेम में बेसिकली ज्यादा ध्यान रखना है बाकी तो मतलब
नहीं
जैसे कॉम है
नहीं,
और
वो
ये
भी नहीं
वेरिएशन क्लास ये
चाहिए.
तो पता ही है
वो भी नहीं चाहिए, एक इंटेलिजेंट आंसर है. आपको याद नहीं आ रहा है, याद करना नहीं है, तो आपको क्या करना है, इंटरव्यूअर को क्या बोलना है? सर आई नो, और सर मैंने यूज करता हूँ, मैं कॉर्पोरेट में हूँ 5 साल से, फिर भी ये सर वाला फील आ जाता है, वो पता नहीं है मुझे क्यों आता है. सो आई शुड हैव टेकन देयर नेम. फाइन. आपको इतना बोलना है इंटरव्यूअर को, सी आई डोंट नो, और आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल exact technical name, but I know how to extract it. If then now he will ask you how to extract. Anybody can tell me the answer. How to extract the technical name of the fields. If you know the table name, that's more than enough. फील्ड नेम मैंने आपके रेफरेंस के लिए दिया हुआ है फील्ड नेम्स इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी टू रिमेंबर यू कैन एक्सट्रैक्ट द फील्ड नेम हाउ कैन यू एक्सट्रैक्ट द फील्ड नेम अरे यार अभी
Sir,
किया
in SC16
यस इन एस सी
सर
सिक्सटीन
ऐसे
अभी अभी
16
किया
है।
ना यार मुझे भी
यस
पता
सर
नहीं था
ऐसे
फील्ड नेम अभी अभी आपके सामने ही किया
yes, yes.
नहीं सर मुझे लगा आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो या समझ ही
Sir,
पाए।
how to extract the table name if we did
There
not recall the
is
table
there
name
is
also?
no way. There is no way to extract the table name. You should Google it. SAP Press or SAP blog will have all the table names listed. So you in real time you will also get a catalog. There the table names are listed. So don't worry. And like anybody knows how many tables are there in HANA in total? I'm not asking about the T codes. I'm asking about the tables. Anybody knows how many
8 lakhs.
tables we have in SAP?
Sir, in
Not just in
lakhs.
material management, in entire SAP.
500 plus.
How many tables are there? No answer. HANA database itself contains 8 lakh plus tables. Is it humanly possible to remember all the tables?
Yes, sir.
8 lakh plus tables are there. 8 लाख से भी ज़्यादा टेबल्स हैं उसके अलावा हम भी टेबल क्रिएट कर करके डाल भी सकते हैं हमारा ओन टेबल्स दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एबैप डेटा डिक्शनरी राइट so it is humanly not possible to remember all the table only major tables if you remember that's more than enough no need to worry about anything okay now, coming to material master views, let's get back to the SAP system. So एक एक व्यूज का डिक्टेशन करूंगा अभी आपको लिखते जाना है लिखते जाना है लिखते जाना है इंटरव्यू में आएगा एक दो तीन लाइन का एक्सप्लेनेशन है टेक्स्ट बुक में भी है जस्ट इफ यू कैन ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक यू कैन आल्सो हाईलाइट ओवर देयर एज आई टेल यू ओके रन mm01
Sir,
create
can you share the textbook right now?
right
Because
now. Okay, let me check.
because I use a different laptop right now.
Okay, fine, no problem.
Sir, send it chat. Send it in chat. Google Meet chat.
गूगल चैट में क्या अच्छा
Yes.
ओ लिंक कर सकता हूँ यार गूगल चैट में फाइल शेयर नहीं होगा शायद
सर गूगल ड्राइव में सेंड कर सकते हैं।
गूगल
ड्राइव में।
हाँ ड्राइव में कर सकता हूँ एक मिनट ड्राइव में अपलोड करना पड़ेगा पहले
When you free na, that time you will send.
2 minutes left. ये इधर इंटरनेट का बहुत दिक्कत है यार। वो एयरटेल वाला सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लिया, जस्ट 40 Mbps मेरा, ये वीडियो का काम भी नहीं हो रहा है उसमें, इसीलिए कल चेंज करवा रहा हूँ। ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಅವರೇ, ನೀವೇನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ರಿ?
ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್, ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
ಹರೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ?
ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಬರೋ ತನಕ,
ಹಾ,
ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಬರೋ ತನಕ.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್, ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಿಪ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್।
ಹ್ಮ್.
हाउ कैन आई फाइंड दिस? अभी अपलोड नहीं हुआ यार।
Sir, leave it now, no, sir. Half an hour is left.
No, no, no. Less than a minute left. Just a minute. Yeah. Now it's done. Again, आपका अप्रूवल मांगेगा ये। Okay. Yeah. All people are there. Allow anyone to link. Yeah. I'm sharing it. Done.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. You can access it. Okay. Fine. Now let's get into the material master.
सर सेम बुक है ना जो पहले
Yeah.
दिया
Yeah.
था?
Same book. Same book. Mechanical engineering, material type, ZTG1. I think we have not made any changes, right, in this material type. So basic data one, purchasing and accounting one. Let's concentrate on this. Apart from that, we are going to concentrate on some more views. Just give me a second. I will get you there. सी मुझे भी सब याद नहीं रहता है, मैं टेक्स्ट बुक रेफर कर करके आपको पढ़ाता हूँ। फिजिक्स वालों का मेथड सुना होगा, लाइक ही डायरेक्टली क्लेम्स दैट मैं कोटा में जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, कोचिंग सेंटर्स है, उसका मटेरियल ले लेके आपको पढ़ाता हूँ। ऐसा ही हूँ मैं भी। ओके, so don't worry about that. I will also refer the textbook. I will make myself correct if I go wrong. You can also make me correct if you feel that anything you find whatever I tell you is wrong. Okay. Now, okay. First, let's learn about the views. Basic data view में आपको select करना है। Just a minute. Yes. डब्ल्यू एम हमारा कंसंट्रेशन रहेगा, इसीलिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, WM1 and 2 आई विल टेक इट राइट नाउ। देन जनरल प्लांट एंड स्टोरेज डेटा 1 and 2, and sales organization data 1 and 2, let's take it as well, and sales general data as well. So
Sir, MRP.
MRP अभी नहीं, अभी नहीं।
Okay.
ओके, अभी जब भी मैंने बेसिक डेटा वन और अकाउंटिंग वन परचेजिंग सिलेक्ट कर रहा था, आपको सिस्टम पूछ रहा था बस प्लांट। अभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेवल कितना पूछ रहा है? जस्ट अ मिनट गाइस, आई विल टेक दिस कॉल। हेलो, या हु इज दिस? या दिस इज, ओके, या आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द जॉब चेंज, नो नोटिस पीरियड। Yeah, I have already served. Right now, I am taking up freelance classes.
Guys, anyone referring textbook?
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you are audible because of my proximity sensor, it got muted. 5.7 years, but I am not exclusive tester. I am a proper SAP consultant. I am a proper SAP consultant. I haven't taken any role as a testing in SAP. But whatever I do, I have conducted the testing part myself. So testing knowledge I have. No, I am not a tester. I am a proper implementation guy. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Fine. No problem. Yeah. Yes. Sorry, it was a call from HCL Technologies this late. Hey, want to schedule an interview? Yeah. Okay. Where were we? So organization level has been changed. Organization level has been changed as per the just a minute, I will show you. Yeah, as per the selection of our views, the organization level has been changed. Now from plant 1710, storage location. I don't know what storage location we have. Let's check it. Okay,
So 1710.
that is the storage location.
One
No,
171A.
one seven one
1718.
eight, right?
Yeah, 1718. Again, no results found. It is not there. Let me check. The plant Plant 171A, yeah, it is available, but search is not working. Yeah, sales organization for 1710, let's check it out. 1710 itself. Distribution channel again directly came. Warehouse number, let's see, I think 0001 will work. Storage type, this is a warehouse master data. So again, we can use high rack storage. Yes. Now get to yes. See, the description you need to provide. So let's give the description. Test material base unit of measure EA. Now unit of measure समझते हैं सब समझते
Yes,
हैं
sir.
unit of measure what it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is if I ask you as an interviewer, then what is your answer?
It is a unit to measure the material.
Yeah, you need to measure the material. If you tell like that, simply interviewer will dig you more. So you should tell proper definition. Base unit of measure का definition क्या है?
Unit of measure for the materials which we getting from the vendor.
Base unit of measure is the smallest unit of measure. Just write down this, or you can underline in the textbook. Okay, it's also there in the textbook. I am telling you exact sentence used in the textbook itself. The base unit of measure is the smallest unit of measure in which the company maintains its inventory. This should be your answer. With example. With example. How will you give the example? You can give any example like pens. You can stick to the very simple example. Okay, don't get into the complicated example. Don't use the examples of textbook. Interviewer pakad lega. He will also know what is there in the textbook. So don't use the examples of the textbook. Instead you use the simple example, very simple example. Pens is there, our company manufacture pens. Then the base unit of measure will be, it is measured in the pieces. If it is a liquid, then it is liters, like this. Okay, so that's it. Now coming to the second field, material group. What is your answer? Come on, repeat the answer. The base unit of measure is smallest unit of measure in which the company maintains its inventory. That is your answer. Fine. Now, material group. We need to make it quick, otherwise we will be stuck. We will take more time than expected. So, material group.
So it is a group to maintain the material in inventory.
Material group is the method of grouping similar material. What is material group? It is the method of grouping similar material. That's it, nothing else. Example,
Example like
TV,
consumable,
laptop, TV,
consumable.
laptop, calculators, yes, of electronic item. We can maintain a material group called electronics item. So we stick to very simple examples, okay? Now, they will not ask you about old material number. You can directly say old material number is something which is legacy system had the number of a material. They will not ask you that. Then division, division,
So it is a product category.
division will not be asked in the interview. You can safely avoid. That is the
Okay.
ST thing. Okay. Next, lab or office. Lab or office. It is the labor of the material is the or the lab or office
Responsible
responsible for
for
the
the
material.
materials.
Lab or office responsible for the material. Again, this is a PP thing, so no need to worry about that. Now coming to cross plant material status. This I have explained already, but still I will tell you cross plant material status. What it is?
It is a status of the material. It is in use, is
In
process.
different areas, in different areas.
Yes, yes.
So it is the material status which is used by two plants within the same company code.
Yeah. No, no. The exact definition of this is the process areas, the material status processes either warning message or the error message while making any other processes. You can tell like that. Material status defines the process areas where we can set either warning message or error message. Next, product hierarchy. Product hierarchy. Again, this is a SD thing, so no need to worry, we can simply leave out. Then, general item category group. This is very important field, guys. General item category group is an important field. I will tell you what it is. General item category group field, just write it down or underline on the textbook. General item category group field allows the system to automatically generate an item type in the sales document created. This is important.
Sorry,
Yeah,
it's a repeat.
allows the system allows the system to automatically generate item type in the sales document. Again, SD wala hai ye configuration comes under SD, but sometimes you may get question. So for that purpose, safely learn it. So general item category group allows the system to automatically generate the item type in the sales document being created. Being created. Okay. नाउ डायमेंशन और ईएन इसके बारे में कुछ बताने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको सो यू नो अबाउट इट द ग्रॉस वेट नेट वेट वॉल्यूम ईएन यूपीसी एक्सेट्रा राइट
No, sir. What is EN UPC?
यूरोपियन आर्टिकल नंबर यूपीसी इज यूनाइटेड स्टेट प्रोडक्ट कैटेगरी और समथिंग जस्ट अ मिनट आई विल टेल यू यूपीसी फुल फॉर्म था एक नंबर है वो बस that is a universal product code. UPC means universal product code. EAN use होता है यूरोप में like EAN is used in Europe but UPC is used in United States. It is the identification of the product. In India the same thing is used instead of EAN and UPC. In India we call it as a HSN code. Anybody knows what is
Yeah.
HSN code? See, this is not a configurable object. This is something the government used for government regulations. So EAN and UPC, you can simply leave. Nobody concentrate on EAN and UPC. Next.
तो HSN का फुल फॉर्म क्या है सर?
एचएसएन का फुल फॉर्म एक मिनट में बता दूंगा आपको. मैं भी भूल गया एचएसएन का फुल फॉर्म. लास्ट ईयर
हार्मोनाइज्ड सिस्टम ऑफ नॉमेनक्लेचर.
HSN code. It's harmonized system of nomenclature. Yes, exactly. Now, क्लासिफिकेशन डेटा में नहीं है हम. या दिस कंप्लीट्स आवर फर्स्ट व्यू, दैट इज बेसिक डेटा वन व्यू. ओके.
So definition given in handbook, all the definition.
Yes, all the definition is given, but more is given there. Not required. That much is not required. Whatever I told you now, you just underline that one. That is enough. That's enough. Okay. You can concentrate only on that part, not anything else or not any extra thing. There are so many things in the textbook. Like if you completely master this textbook, your experience will be 10 years equivalent. Okay, now coming to purchasing data, not purchasing data, just a minute. Sales organization data one. Again, here I don't get into any definitions or something. I just wanted to show you. जनरल डेटा में क्या होगा, डिवीजन हो गया. सेल्स यूनिट नॉट वेरिएबल, ये सेल्स में सेल्स एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रोसेस में यूज होगा ये चेक बॉक्सेस वगैरह. सेल्स यूनिट का मतलब होता है मतलब कितना मटेरियल सेल्स में जा रहा है एक्सेट्रा. यूनिट ऑफ मेजर ग्रुप करके एक नेट वीवर टीम क्रिएट करता है, वो यूनिट ऑफ मेजर ग्रुप का इंफॉर्मेशन इधर है. और क्रॉस प्लांट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चेन स्टेटस, डिलीवरिंग प्लांट. इफ वी आर यूजिंग the transfer posting scenario, then we will also get the delivering plant. Material group is copied from basic data. Validity we can maintain. Again, conditions, if I execute the condition, it tells you about the taxes. Okay, so that is about conditions. No need to worry about anything. Okay, it's not coming out. Let's use something. No tax. Here also I should use no tax. Okay. Now come to main data. See the conditions what you maintained reflected here, right? No tax, no tax, no tax. Now, minimum order quantity. If you are selling this material, this is not a purchasing thing. This is a selling thing. If this material is for selling, then minimum order quantity you should accept. See, if I set this particular quantity to one particular value, say 10 each or 10 pieces, then system will throw error whenever you get a sales order below 10 quantity. Got it? This is the meaning of this minimum order quantity, minimum delivery quantity, all those things. What do you mean by rounding profile? So many time you came across rounding profile. So what do you mean by rounding profile?
Sir, it is rounding off of decimals, sir. 0.005 means it will take
Exactly.
1.
Yeah, exactly. Rounding of the decimals. So that's it. No mandatory thing. Again, this is the second sales data. Here, everything related to the sales, nothing related to the material management. It's all about sales. So you can simply avoid this. No need to know even the meaning or the name of any of the fields. You can safely avoid this. Okay, item category group. Item category group, it's mandatory. I need to fill some item category group. See, you have so many item category group here. Make to order configuration, make to order assembly, partial billing, all these things related to what? Sales and distribution module. So simply select one safe.
Also for production as well as sir.
Yeah,
Production,
make to order.
make to order and make to stock.
Yeah, MTO, MTS that we will take in the MMPP integration. So right
Sir,
now, Yeah,
So what is the difference between general item category group and item category group
yeah,
in basic data?
general item category group used in, I told you general item category group used in the normal system automatically generates or automatically assigns this particular general item category group while making in the sales document. Just a minute, I will repeat the definition again. Yeah, general item category group, it allows the system to automatically generate the item type in the sales document. Okay, what is item type? Again, it is related to sales and distribution module. Item type is always depends on the sales document and general item category groups. So item types can, again, it can be configured. So I don't know the significance of item type exactly. So used in the sales order. Okay, no need to worry about much on item types etc. जनरल आइटम कैटेगरी ग्रुप का काम क्या होता है? आइडेंटिफाई करना, ऑटोमेटिकली सिस्टम को लाना है आइटम टाइप इन द सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंट. ओके, system should bring the item types in the sales document automatically. That is done through general item category group. This is the meaning of it. Now coming to item category group. Item category group, it is again very important for us. Again, sales and distribution part. Just a minute. I will tell you the proper definition of item category group. So we are in sales or data too, right? Grouping item. Yeah, item category group and general item category group, there is no difference. Exactly same. Both are same. Both are same. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Used to come up with the item type. You can see the table as well. Both are same. There is no difference. Now, coming to the next one. This is sales general plant level data. It talks about gross weight, net weight, availability check. Availability check, let's take it in the inventory management, not now. So replacement part, then qualifying for the free goods distribution, etc. See, free goods wala process हम run किया था, right? Remember in the purchase order scenario,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
that if we are providing the free goods to others, if we are giving the free goods, we are not procuring the free goods here, we are giving the free goods to others, then we will use it in sales general plant data part. Not eligible for discount of any kind, etc. So we have four option. Again, SD consultant can configure this one as well. So that is the meaning of qualifying free goods, qualified for free goods or not. Now, material freight group. Check this material. Okay, just a minute. It is nothing is there. Just a minute.
So material freight group, it is related to ecoterms or
Transportation. It's related to the transportation.
yes, yes. It related to ecoterms, na?
What?
Ecoterms.
No, no, not Incoterms. It related to the transportation data, like how the material is getting transported. There is something called transportation group as well in the shipping data. You can see this loading group and
Sir,
transportation group. What?
sir, I think PO, sir, in PO, the transportation cost, which is it is comes under this.
No, no. It done in. See, this is not related to PO. You are doing on the sales, so you are selling your product to others. It is ulta.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, okay.
you are
Okay.
selling this product, you are not procuring this product, so PO will not come into picture. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now already the transportation group, it is used to group together the material which can have the similar transportation methods. For example, एक ही गाड़ी में होगा और एक you are going to transport the material in a single truck or single container or single goods train, single ship, etc. So that particular thing is transportation group. Loading group allows the sales department to group together the material that have similar loading requirement, such as crane, forklift, trolley, ऐसा. That is
Sir,
loading group.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, it is in our plant, na, it is mentioned in the pallets, containers, packing
Yeah.
papers,
Yes.
that type of.
Yeah, some materials are carried in pallets. Some materials
Yes,
are carried in the packing papers, right?
yes, sir.
या सम मटेरियल बोला ना एक दो तीन मटेरियल समझो देर आर थ्री मटेरियल यू कैन कैरी इन द पैलेट देन लोडिंग ग्रुप विल बी वन फॉर ऑल द थ्री मटेरियल गॉट इट गॉट इट एनी डाउट्स हियर
No, sir.
no need to worry just I am see just I am making you familiar with the views of sales as well. I am making you familiar, you won't get anything in the interview on this, okay, don't worry. Then you can see the serialization. Serialization we will do in the purchase order part, not here. The profit center, you know about it already. In the videos, you have configured some profit center as well. Let's see if we get our profit center in the list. See, we can get our
Yes, sir.
profit center, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is about profit centers. Now let's end. Okay. Please assign material 001 to a profit center. Fine. It's a mandatory or a warning. It is a warning. I can avoid this by pressing enter. No need to worry. Now purchasing data. Here I don't explain anything. I don't explain anything here. You should explain me in the next class tomorrow. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now. Yeah, tell me, general data who will explain, purchasing value key who will explain, and other and manufacturing data. Take the responsibility, guys. I will give, no need to tell. Mayank will explain about general data. And Josh, you are going to explain the purchasing value key. And Sujata and Janani together, both of you, are going to explain about manufacturing data. Okay? Now, coming to the next. See, this is general plant data. This is general plant data or the storage location data. Here you can see storage bin. ये storage bin क्या होता है? Warehouse management. Again, okay. Picking area, warehouse management. Storage conditions. Where you will configure storage conditions.
Sir, setting
Storage
keys.
condition.
Field of setting
Yes, settings
keys.
for key fields. Good, very
Yes,
good.
the setting for.
Super. Hazardous material number. Warehouse
The
management.
setting for key fields में ये temperature conditions और storage conditions
Yes.
भी है ना sir?
Yeah, both will be configured in setting for key
हाँ.
fields. Container requirement, warehouse management, physical inventory indicator, warehouse management, number of GR slips, warehouse management, label type, warehouse management, batch management इधर active कर सकते हैं again warehouse management. So this all the things whatever you are seeing now, it's all related to warehouse management. So when I start WM, I start from here, the plant data, storage data. So right now, no need of any explanation. Okay, it will take lots of time to complete the explanation. So right now, let's leave it. So everything is related to what? Warehouse management.
Warehouse management.
Yeah. So you can see the store location as well here. Now coming to the next one, plant and storage data 2. Gross weight, net weight, volume, size and dimension. Then negative stocks in the plant. Okay. अभी बताओ negative stocks क्या है? Anybody knows what is negative stocks?
Sir, it is a stock we will issued uh, if it is not available in the store.
Yes, sir. Not available in the store, but we issued to.
We issued that
Um,
material.
Exactly. Exactly. One more meaning also there. The goods has been arrived physically at the gate of our compound, but we haven't yet GR'd it. So at that case also negative stock will come into picture. Okay. Now coming to WM data. Again I will explain this in the WM part. Stock removal, stock placement. ये क्या होता है? Meaning generally don't get into WM. Just common sense में बताओ meaning क्या है? The stock
Stock
removal and
removal.
stock placement.
stock,
It is a stock which were
sir.
removed
Stock
from
removal.
warehouse.
Stock removal means taking out, right?
Yes.
Taking out the stock from a storage bin. That is
Yes.
known as stock removal. There is a strategy called stock removal strategy that we will talk about in the warehouse management. Stock placement क्या होता है? Placing the
Sir,
material into a
material
particular bin.
one location to
Yeah.
then.
Bulk storage. Bulk
Saying
storage.
bulk quantity. So
Yeah,
storage in
big
bulk
one.
quantity.
The material which has a big size. There it is bulk storage. That we will talk about it. Message to
So
IM.
big,
If I check this
sir,
box,
big,
what happens?
sir, big size or bulk quantity, sir.
Big size. Bulk
But
quantity, big size, both like you can consider. But it requires a very big space to store. That is the meaning of that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
For example, paint storage. Lots of
for example,
container in
hardware.
storage
What
store
Vaibhav?
in one.
Come again, Vaibhav?
Sir, for example, we stored the lots of container of paints in one area in one
Exactly.
room.
That is what the
That's
bulk storage
bulk
is.
storage, na?
Yes.
Okay.
टू स्टेप पिकिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे. टू स्टेप पिकिंग क्या होता है? अभी नहीं. टू स्टेप पिकिंग इज ऑल्सो सिमिलर टू अवर टू स्टेप मेथड. Remember in the IM there is a two step method of stock transfer or transfer posting between the plant to plant and store location to store location, where we use
Yes, yes.
Yes,
two
yes.
movement type. In warehouse
Yes, sir.
management,
Yes.
in two step picking, we use storage type, not movement type. Movement type will be different. I will tell you about the warehouse movement type. So we will be using two storage type in two step picking that we will talk about. Now tell me with your common sense, if I click on if I activate this message to IM button, then what happens?
So whatever stock reduce or increase, immediately message on that uh,
Yeah, that
POC.
message will be sent to the inventory management. Okay. So from whenever the warehouse activity took place with respect to this material, if I check this box, that particular message will be transmitted to the inventory part, material document side part. That means to the MIGO. Say warehouse manager is there or inventory manager is there. Inventory manager को एक mail होगा. SOST में वो check कर सकता है. So that is the meaning of message to IM. Allow the addition to stock. Let's talk about that particular field in the WM. WM2 में कुछ भी नहीं है. This is just about quantity and storage unit management. Which storage bin you want to place this particular thing? What is the bin quantity? What is the bin minimum quantity? What is the maximum quantity of a bin? What is the rounding quantity of a bin? Picking area, controlling quantity, replenishment quantity. So all these things are simply values. It is not a configurable object. If I click on this, you can see just a value you can place it. Only picking area we can configure and no values found because nothing is configured yet. Okay, so this is unit of measure. This is the storage unit that we will talk about in the warehouse management. Now, if you observe the organization
सर ये
environment,
एक क्वेश्चन है.
yeah, tell me.
सर ये स्टोरेज लोकेशन में स्टोरेज बिन है ये जो, तो ये स्टोर लोकेशन के इनसाइड मतलब बोलेंगे ना स्टोरेज
हाँ,
बिन,
स्टोर लोकेशन के इनसाइड स्टोर लोकेशन का
जो
सेक्शन ही
सेक्शंस
ये
हो
है.
गए.
यस, स्टोर लोकेशन स्टोर लोकेशन क्या होता है? If the store location is warehouse managed, then that store location is divided into first the storage type, then storage sections, then storage bins. The store location
Bins.
is divided into these three levels. Apart from these three level, again within that we have something else. We will talk about that in the warehouse management part of our training. Right now, you can simply observe. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Now,
can I give the one example if it is wrong? So
yeah.
DMart running, whatever we maintain in DMart na, so it is run through the warehouse management na sir.
Yes, yes.
Bin quantity and
Yes, it is run through the warehouse management.
whatever we have stored in the rack na,
Yeah,
so that is
that
the
rack,
quantity they have
there
maintained.
is something called racking job, and the racks are again sectioned into so many things. The quant is
Yes.
there. Yeah, so let's talk about that in the warehouse management, not now.
Okay.
Accounting
Okay.
one, again, I will not explain. Accounting one, Vaibhav, you are going to explain about valuation class, general valuation data here. You are going to explain tomorrow about this general valuation data, and मयंक जी आपने एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो स्टैंडर्ड प्राइस, और ये प्राइस
Yes,
एंड
sir.
वैल्यूज वाला कॉलम है ना, ये आप एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो, ठीक है?
Standard price and price and
नहीं
values.
नहीं, पूरा प्राइस एंड वैल्यू चेक करो, अगर
Okay, sir.
आप आपको आइडिया मिल गया तो ठीक है। ये जीरो एल कहाँ से आ रहा है?
जीरो also, सर आपने वो लेजर बनाया
वीडियो
था ना,
में
जीरो जो
समझ में
डिफॉल्ट
आ रहा
वो,
है? लाइक हिट,
हाँ, यस,
या सो द डेटा फ्लो आइडिया आना चाहिए आप लोगों को। अगर डेटा फ्लो का आइडिया आ गया, कौन सा डेटा कहाँ से आ रहा है, आपका इंटरव्यू खत्म। यू कैन नेल एनी इंटरव्यू, नो, यू विल नॉट गेट एनी फेल्यूर्स। सो like which data is coming from where, that is what you should concentrate more. Okay.
ओके सर।
Yeah, done. That's it about the views. You want me to create this particular material? नहीं चाहिए, just I will leave out. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So this is about the views. Tomorrow I will first take the explanation from you guys. Next I will take the interview question on material master. Be sure with the material type configurations, material group configuration, setting for key field configuration, etc. So you will get all those questions. So tomorrow's session will be material masters interview session for you from the material types. So let me see who can answer. Okay, if I want to sell the material, I manufacture the product and I want to sell the material. Does a particular material creation requires a maintenance of purchasing data? I manufacture pens and I sell pens. Does it require to maintain purchasing data for the pens? Why? I don't procure.
Because sir, we manufacture the pen na,
Just a minute,
so
just a
we require.
minute, just a minute. Now you tell me. Some truck guy. Yeah. Tell me.
We manufacture pen, but we require some raw material na, for to manufacture the pen. That's why we require to purchase data.
No, I am making a finished product. I just sell it. I don't procure the pens at all. Is it required to maintain the purchasing data in that case? No need. Does system allows that, like maintenance of purchasing data? If this scenario I have, then I want to maintain a purchasing data, the system allows. Just check it out. Okay, just try and let me know. In user department, remove that purchasing data and try to enter the purchasing data after removing the user department by selecting the views. Let's see how you can manage this particular scenario. So this is a scenario based question. Okay, this kind of a question you will be faced in L2 round of the interview, not in the first round. Yeah, Mayank, you are telling something.
No, sir, I'm just going about you said that you are not manufacturing, you are not purchasing raw material, and you are just only
Raw
selling
material,
them.
leave it aside. Raw material, leave it aside. I'm talking about the finished product. Does finished
Okay,
product need to be maintained with the purchasing data or not? This was my question.
okay,
If I want to maintain the purchasing data for the finished product, then system will allow it or not. This is the subsequent question.
okay.
Yeah, just
So
try it in the
system will
system
not
and let
allow.
me know. No need to answer now. Try it in the system and let me know. Okay? What is your
Okay, sir.
observation? सो प्रैक्टिस करना इसीलिए जरूरी है सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आपको आंसर नहीं कर सकते विदाउट प्रैक्टिसिंग गॉट इट so when you practice only you will come to know how the system behaves in this particular scenario got it.
Got it, sir.
Yes, so that's it for the day. So be ready with basic data one, purchasing one, and purchasing data and accounting one views and configuration. I whatever I have highlighted, that part is enough. Fine. This is your material master, guys. Tomorrow you will get complete question, interview question, the possible interview question on material master itself. And material master will have implication on other processes as well. As and when we move, we will see about that. Okay, I am making a detailed plan like this. Like this, the classes will go from today onwards. So approach will be, I will just give you the approach. Not today. In Sunday on Sunday with the timeline, I will give you the approach. Like before coming to the class, what you should do, and after going out of the class, what you should do. Okay. So I am making a plan. I am working on it. Mayank also suggested yesterday after the class he called me. We have spoken for more than 30 minutes regarding this only, like understanding part of it. Okay, so let's do that. He has given a very good suggestions. So I am trying to incorporate them. Okay. Yeah, this is for
Okay, sir.
tomorrow. Yeah, this is for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to end the material master part and let's get into the business partner. There was an interview question today asked for me which I was not able to answer. मतलब मेरा दिमाग से निकल गया था वो particular thing. वो एफआई का क्वेश्चन था फिर भी मटेरियल मास्टर के लिए मटेरियल मैनेजमेंट के लिए पूछ रहा था नितिन नितिन परमार नितिन पटेल और समथिंग वो नितिन वाला जो भी अंकल था ना वो पूछ रहा था एल वन में लाइक व्हाट इज द टेबल फॉर स्टोरिंग द बिजनेस पार्टनर जनरल डेटा विच टेबल स्टोर्स बिजनेस पार्टनर जनरल डेटा मुझे पता नहीं था लाइक आई टोल्ड हिम आई डोंट नो पता था भूल गया था मैंने इट इज बी यू टी ट्रिपल जीरो उसके बाद में बोला मैंने लाइक 0000000 यू बिजनेस पार्टनर रोल कैटेगरी यूज किया तो दैट पर्टिकुलर जनरल डेटा विल बी स्टोर्ड इन बी यू टी ट्रिपल जीरो टेबल in S4HANA. So, like this, you will need to handle. Fine. So, tomorrow, let's see how well you people are prepared for the interview. I know, don't get
So
demoralized.
can
The questions will be tougher. Don't get demoralized. Instead, work on the weaknesses. That's it. Only thing.
so
Plug
can
the weakness, you can crack the interview. Yeah.
sir, so can we schedule this interview on Sunday because we have lots of work to
Tomorrow is
do.
Friday, right?
Yes, tomorrow is a Friday.
You want leave tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Can we schedule on Sunday?
Yeah, fine, no problem. We can schedule it on Sunday.
Because we have lots of
Yeah, we
work on
planned Monday
Sunday.
to Thursday, right?
Yes.
Yeah, fine, let's stick to that. I forgot, yeah, sorry. I am in a very, say, excited state.
No, sir,
आप लोगों को
regular
10
classes
जॉब
will be
दिलवाने हैं,
happened.
इतना ही है. I am in
Sir,
that
regular
particular state of mind. So I forgot my ground rule. Monday to Thursday the classes. Yeah. So let's keep this activity on Sunday. So interview questions were Sunday only. We are planned Sunday only, na? Yeah, it's like holding nice now. Correct.
सर रेगुलर क्लास में आप ले सकते हो कल भी और परसों भी क्योंकि दो बैकलॉग्स बचे हैं वो कवर करने के लिए बट जो इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल होगा वो संडे को होगी तो मुझे इतना मतलब सबको इतना टाइम मिलेगा कि संडे को दिन भर प्रैक्टिस
यस,
करके या फिर
संडे को एक बार प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हो और एक दिन का टाइम भी मिलेगा आपको कंसोलिडेट करने में। सो एनी डाउट्स, आपका मटेरियल मास्टर में डाउट्स जो भी आएगा अभी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे पढ़ेंगे। मटेरियल मास्टर में जो भी डाउट आएगा आपको पोस्ट करना है, आपको नोट एक नोट बनाना है वो डाउट्स का। वो संडे में डिस्कस होगा कि ओके, एक एक डाउट लूंगा मैं संडे। Got it?
That will be good.
Yeah. So, guys, I will call up the day. I am also very tired. Even today, the house is getting set. So, for that purpose, I am very much tired. I will just go and crash on the bed now. So, guys, okay, bye. And see
सर
you
कल
on
क्लास
Sunday.
रहेगी क्या
Sir, so call or also class.
No class for tomorrow. So, let's meet on Sunday. Actually,
Okay.
Oh,
yeah, tomorrow and Saturday as well. There won't be any classes. Okay.
okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
the see, I will quickly finish it off weekend classes of Henry Irwin. I again don't recommend you people to join there. It is like फालतू क्लास होगा। क्विकली मैंने जो भी एंड यूजर का काम है वो फटाफट निपटा के वो बैच खत्म करना चाहता हूँ बस।
सर क्या आपका एंड्री अर्विंग का क्लास रहेगा तो आप इधर कैसे ले पाओगे सर
हेनरी अरविंद।
नहीं आपका एंड्री अर्विंग में शेड्यूल रहेगा ना सर
नहीं,
मॉर्निंग
मॉर्निंग में आफ्टरनून में शेड्यूल करेंगे हमारा क्लास, बस एक
ओके
एक एक हफ्ते के लिए। नेक्स्ट
ओके
वीक ऑनवर्ड्स आई एम नॉट टेकिंग एनी वीकेंड क्लासेस।
ओके
या ओके गाइस देन गुड नाइट जोश और शुभ रात्रि।
Good night.
Sir,
Shubharatri.
good night, sir.
गुड नाइट जननी। बाय
Bye.
बाय बाय बाय।